Axiom learned. Learn axiom now. Then the variance and looking by me. Those who are not learn the axiom standard.
Axiom.
Not learn, no. Axioms and postulates. See, what is there? What is the problem here? Why you people are shouting? Who is that? Yes. What happened? All be quiet now. So sometimes be quiet. Full time talking. Yeah. These are the people done, not done. So what to do with the people? Last class, I did not see 3-4 people. Marks, long time I haven't seen. What happened? You are from which school? DAB. DAB exams are over. This much time taken to do. And where I think last class you were there. Why? Huh? A day. Where a day? You do all drama. Hey, come here, Rajdeep. Why you are absent last class? Now also a day is there. Then?
No, sir.
Huh? Who gives here? When?
Very hard.
That last class also a day you did not come. What is the reason last class not coming? So today also a day is there. Neha was not there last class. So what to do with you all? Those who are standing? Exam, what is that? When it is starting? 24. Today is which day? Oh, she is studying. So till 24th you will not study anything. Is it so? That is the way.
I'll study math, but I'll study polynomial.
Polynomial the number system till throughout you will study and you already studied this all, no? Why? Region like then you have done this many days are over now. And you when is the exam starting? Today. So you sit down and your exam is over now. So then you have full time outside only. 2 weeks you have not come. That also bargain. Are keep idea. Every time you have to only. Whereas what is the problem? Yours also okay, you sit down, you did not come. Next class I need all the actions and percentage done. What about you? Do you write the a day in the class. Every day they go to then last lecture did not come, so you turn and come. Did you ask anyone? No. You Neha, did you ask him? Who is that study? Shreya, I didn't see you for long time. I don't know. Shreya, maybe you? Hello? Listen, all of you. No discussion over here required. When yes. Friday you were there? You are okay now? Then you Aditi, what happened? Only postulate? Not done. Let all the others learn now. So when are you going to do postulate 5? Today. Do one thing before going home, you learn and tell me and do. Problems or not? Yes or no? Possible. Tell. Okay, tell 3, postulate number 3. Sir, hello. Turn this side. She's showing me this is 4. She that also she doesn't. Circles can be drawn with any center and any radius. This is down, so you will be this one. Learn the postulate and tell me. Postulate number 2.
A dominated line can be produced with
2 axioms you tell me.
whole and greater
Other than what is greater than what 2 axioms tell.
equal and equal, whole and equal.
All are equal. Okay, now there is a practice story. Another one.
Things which coincide with one another.
Things which coincide with one another is very good. Good down. They also learn now. Started. What is postulate number 3?
Okay. Circle can be drawn with any radius and angles.
What is postulate number 4?
All right angles and
Postulate 5 also you know now. Okay. Then tell 2 axioms.
things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another.
Sit down. How many standard? Postulate number 5. Then what are you sitting there? All of you be quiet. Then remaining all you know. Answer tell all the axioms.
Between two distinct points.
What is an axiom?
Axiom. The whole is greater than the part.
And the whole greater than part is only problem.
If equals are added to the equals of.
What is the first axiom?
If equals are added.
You are starting from Hey, hello. What
You will think are equal.
Why are you coming here? Bring your notebook over here.
Things are equal to the equals are equal.
Yes.
Things are equal to the equal.
You are also not that way.
Things are
Not
Things which are equal. So, look here, you all when are you going to learn? Hello? Madam, when are you going to learn? Virus, where is he? Baby, come here. Now I'll call Mama. No, learn. Okay, otherwise you will not learn. Yesterday there was a test for there.
Yes, sir.
What test?
Lines and angles. Yes, sir.
Huh?
So easy here.
Easy care. Mark will come 60 mark.
Marks meaning is on. Sir,
Okay.
sir, 14 to meaning.
Huh?
14.
40. Timely. Sit down. Sit down. Array people study. Today study and go. Not sitting so. Okay. Exam. So look here. When immediately you are telling now this exam, this long time, mark, your school started late. Then again, so we started.
Leave any here.
Your school.
Okay.
No, I think you know, I'd make all the boys separately, one bench separated.
Sir, listen.
Because it's going on, two things coming on. Girls also slowly be moving like you boys only. Started shouting and all. Then still the girls are not so pointed on this. You Aditi is leading a shout. Who is shouting in the class all the time? And you people?
The boys.
We are the boys.
And subject.
Ariman is the main one.
Yes, sir.
Good name on me some. Famous. I'll make a famous name, famous man permanently over here. Okay. Hello. Girl side will not talk. That is why I put you in the girl side. Yeah. So please revise this one. Homework, anything you have done? Huh? What's it up?
So it is related to the last. What is that polynomial? What is how is it? Plus four. You have to find the value. If 7√2 minus
Be quiet now, all of you.
then 7√2 minus 10x minus 4. So you have to solve this.
It's 7√2.
Minus 10.
Go and write it down. What happened? Aditi, what happened? Say what happened? Something. Oh, what?
Yes.
What is the question?
Then we have to evaluate.
Evaluate what? All of you be quiet. All experts be quiet.
The formula factors.
You have to solve these. From where you got this question? What if it is solving means it should be equal to 0. Factorization, there is no what is 7√2 and 4√2 you can subtract. So only 3√2 minus 10x. You cannot factor, you can take √2 if you want, you can take common, that's all. Okay, check what is the question is given. This question what you said is incomplete. If it is coming as solving means, if it is maybe equal to 0 or here this is equal. What is, I don't know what is your question. Is it this way the question? Now if you are solving is going to factorize now. Avnish, what do you want to know? 7√2 minus 4√2 is 3√2 minus 10x. Understood or not? If you want to take √2 common, then what will you 3 minus 5√2x. Beyond that, you cannot do anything. Okay. Problem solved now. Yeah.
6%.
Huh? In that is linear pair and all you can do now. Angle sum property. This question, lines and angles are what? This is full. This much is 130. 130. This is 90, na? 130 minus 40 you got now. If this is 90, means this also is 90, na? Therefore, you'll get y, na? Y is 50. Angle sum property, na? And these two, x is equal to 130.
It's not easy.
See, they all are making fun of you.
So we get started.
And you are behaving like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Properly. Okay. Yeah. Whenever he start talking, he tell me. Okay. Now, so we are started with the triangles. What did you write triangles? Okay, that
Triangle expect to be congruent if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides.
it's animal standard. Read once again properly.
Objects are said to be congruent if they are of the same size and shape. Two line segments are congruent if they have equal length. Two angles are congruent if they have equal degree. Two triangles are said to be congruent if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are equal.
What happened, Joey?
What do you like?
You have one problem. First one, this one. He quiet now. This one, sir. I'll make it now. You people also I'll make separately one. Move to the more this side. Okay, keep your leg properly. You don't solve this problem. Sit straight. Here. But that also sit properly, okay? Not lie down, okay? Okay. Sit down. Huh? Till where we have started. Lesson now. I said listen means what you are listening. What is written over here, do you know?
ABC, triangle ABC.
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Congruent symbol all of you know, no? Okay. What does it mean?
So they are
They are equal. What is the meaning of equal? Yes. With that all it's over. What is mathematical meaning? Yes.
Sir, all of its sides and angles are equal.
Not all of its sides. Corresponding sides. Okay. Corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Do you know what I mean by corresponding sides? AB corresponds to what? PQ. AC corresponds to PR. Okay, so sit down. So you will be getting as the correspondence are these on AB is equal to PQ. BC is equal to QR. AC is equal to PR. Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. These are the correspondences are coming. Are you followed? Okay. Now look over here. See AB equal to PQ. Now is it AB is equal to QR? No. AB is equal to PQ. Is it BC is equal to PR? No. BC is equal to QR only. Is it angle A is equal to angle R? No. Angle A is equal to angle P only. This is called the correspondence. These correspondences, there is a word is there. Have you heard about the word? Have you heard this one? What is it? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. After writing the congruence, when you write these all things, we write CPCT. What is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Are you followed? Okay, so write this much. First time when I was giving this on CPCT, you people know it. Write down. We can triangle ABC.
It's
Who is it? You're okay. Pen? Whose pen is that?
Sir, my pen.
Where is your pen?
You follow.
Policy. Please, you know what is CPC, right? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. All of you. So, sir. You have found that break also. I have this one.
Corresponding parts.
You only that. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Written all of you, listen carefully. Chapter is not that easy. You have to be careful. If you have once it is explained, you should know it. Okay, so triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Now, according this is listen here. It's a nice place you got. Who gave that place? Come forward, okay. Why these benches are kept vacant?
It's a triangle. It's a triangle.
Howdy. What happened? Ma'am, going on? Okay. When of see, according to the definition, two triangles are congruent when the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal. That means to prove triangle congruent, you have to prove all these 6 conditions. Okay, we need to prove all these 6 conditions. But it's not possible always to prove this condition. So there are different tests of congruence or criterion for congruence. Means what is the requirement? Some limited things only required, then you can tell, yes, we can prove these 2 triangles are congruent. Okay, these are called the congruent tests. Test of congruent. Okay, this certain these also we known as theorems and postulate. SAS is considered as the postulate only. What do you mean by postulate? Which universal truth, there is no proof. Theorem means it is a universal truth, there is a specific truth through this. Hello, end of the lecture, please remove everything and go. Here, over here. The different tests of congruence are, listen, you should know the name. What is the meaning also you should know. First one is SAS. That you just remember, listen. Second one will come as SSS. Okay. Then ASA. AAS. How many wrote? 4. And the last one is RHS. These are the 5 tests of congruence. Okay. These are the 5 tests of congruence. Learn the name first. Not side angle side. You will learn SAS. Stars and all we will find out later. Okay. Yeah. Over. Learned all of you? Okay, you learned? Okay, right. Test of congruence are test TEST. Test of congruence are 1. SAS, SSS, ASA, AAS, RHS. Listen now. Yeah, it is. S represents what? Side. A represents what? Now look, other than this, there is no other test. There is no SSA is not there. There is no ASS and all. There is no AA. These are the 5 different tests of congruence. Now, over here, you have to remember it is not SAS means what does it mean SAS? You have to remember. Okay, it is not only side angle side. There are some properties which has to satisfy, especially for SAS. Okay, so one by one. What are these used for? To prove the triangles congruent. What are these used for? To prove the triangle congruent. So if it is proof, question is prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. You have to check which one satisfies. Okay, which one of them satisfies that you have to identify. That's the most important thing. Sometimes more than. So some of the questions you can use SAS and AAS. Okay, there are conditions that accordingly you do. Some of them may be SSS also. Depends upon more. 3 conditions generally. Now 3 conditions. You after writing, you will see that what is the conditions and all. Okay. Now SAS means 2 sides and the included angle. What is the meaning? 2 sides and the included angle. Are you followed what is the meaning of 2 sides and the included angle? For example, when you write triangle row, pick a row. Can you tell 2 sides and the included angle? A and A is a side. AB and AC. Then what is the angle? A. Are included? AB and AC included means A. If I take AB and BC, which is the included angle? B. If it is AC and BC, which is the included angle? C. So it is not that AB and AC and angle B. Then it is not SAS. Are you followed? Choose what is SAS says? Two sides and the included angle. If you take AB and AC, which is the included angle? A. If AC and BC, which is the included angle? Angle C. Are you followed now? Okay, so you have to be careful with this one. Okay, so when you apply, then SSS means what itself, all three sides are correspondingly equal to. Now, what is the meaning? Means two sides and the included angle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of another triangle. There will be another triangle with each one, like this way. First, I will explain that one. Certain things are marked over here. Can you identify what is marked over here? Shreya. So tell loudly. Angle PQ. Stand up there. Tell which are marked equal. What is marked equal over here in these two figures? Tell the names. What is equal to what? Side is equal to angle AB. AB equal to BQ. One thing. Where is it marked BC equal to? BC is anything marked over there. Actually, simply you are telling this one. Look there, this one line and one line mean these are equal. Two lines. AC is equal to PQ. I said is B. AC is equal to PR. Then two things you said, then something else is marked equal. Nothing else. Aditi, angle A is equal to angle P. Very difficult to see. Look, AB is equal to PQ. AC is equal to PR. So how many sides are equal? Two pair of sides. And angle A is equal to angle P. One pair angle means which angle? Included angle. Okay. These two are talking over here. Yeah. I'm seeing since a long time. And make classes the boys started putting, now you people started. Jui. Now look over here. AB, sit down. AB and PQ are equal, AC and PR are equal, angle A is equal to angle P. Then we conclude triangle ABC. Hello, is congruent to triangle PQR. Reason you write by which test? SAS. Are you followed? So this any other SAS can you tell? I said this one. Any other way proving SAS? Those who know raise hand. Only one hand is raised. Yes, Gurpreet.
Sir, at B point, we can draw one
Angle B.
We can draw one angle.
Is equal to what?
Angle
Angle B is equal to angle Q. Then
C, we can
here SAS is coming as to keep on angle settling. Sit down. Two sides. Yes. Srinidhi.
So AB is equal to side B.
AB equal to PQ. Listen carefully.
Side BC.
BC is equal to QR. Then
Angle C is equal to
how angle C? AB and BC is included is what? Angle C. Angle B should be is equal to angle Q. Then only a SAS will come. Understood or not? Another one, Aditi. AC is equal to PR, BC is equal to QR, and angle C and angle are equal, then also will come as SAS. This is the way you have to check. Are you followed? Now, hello, Rajdeep, are you following anything? So look here, this one, the figure may not be this way two separate. There will be combination of figures will be there in this one drawing, median and all the conditions and all. That one, I will explain. You know what I mean by median and all? Did I explain that one? No. So altitude median? No. That also we will explain. Okay. Now SAS followed. What is the meaning? Next. SSS. What is the meaning of SSS? Corresponding sides are equal. So what should be given? AB should be equal to BQ. BC is equal to QR. AC is equal to PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS. Correct. Understood or not? All three sides. What is the meaning of ASA? Means two angles and the included side. What do you mean by ASA? Two angles and the included side. Yes, Jui, can you tell the ASA criterion over here?
Angle B is equal to angle.
Angle B equal to angle Q.
Line segment BC
is equal to QR. Angle C is equal to angle R. Therefore, it is coming in by ASA. B is equal to, Shriya, are you following? Angle B equal to Q, C is equal to R, and BC is equal to QR. If not followed, tell me, okay. Next, another way, can you tell ASA? Yes.
Angle A is equal to angle B.
Angle A is equal to B.
Angle R and AC.
AC is equal to PR. Okay, that also is ASA. Next one, the next one it is called AAS. Two angles and on one side. It's not included. Yes, Avnish, can you tell AAS here?
Angle A is equal to angle B.
A is equal to B.
Angle C is equal to angle R.
C is equal to angle R.
And BC
BC is equal to QR. It should not be AC and PR. Then AAS. Are you followed or not? Okay, Neha, can you tell another AAS?
Angle B is equal to angle. Angle C is equal to angle R.
B equal to Q and C is equal to R. Then
Side AB is equal to side.
AB equal to PQ. Then it is coming as ASA. Sorry, AAS is coming. Are you, hello, listen. Then, so these are only followed all of you. The next one is called RHS. Who knows? Yes, what is it?
Right hand side.
Right hand side. No. Yes. Yes.
Right angle hypotenuse side.
Right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side. Okay, not right hand side. Okay, that is LHS RHS. Congruence means right angle hypotenuse side. First and foremost thing, remember, RHS is applied only for right angle triangles. Huh? RHS is applied only for which type of triangle? Can you apply this here? No, it should be triangle, it should be right angle. What happened, Jui? Okay. Started sleeping. How do you know she's sleeping? Any problem? Shraddha, why are you troubling you?
She's gone.
Then who is troubling?
Just work.
Huh?
Just work from home.
What from home?
My kid is not.
Only shouted.
My brain is not working.
Why? Okay, listen here. Aditi will give the solution for you. Okay. Okay, listen. Oh, like. Now, here you can apply RHS. First thing is, before RHS, what you have to check? Are the triangles are right? Yes, who will apply RHS here? Path. Is equal to 90 degree you to write. Not simply write E equal to or Y. Angle E is equal to angle Y equal to 90 degree. Then
Side hypotenuse.
DF is equal to XZ. That is compulsory again. Then any other side. EF is equal to YZ. Okay, understood or not? Okay. These two things are compulsory. What is it? 90, 90, hypotenuse, hypotenuse.
That's a X or Y.
X
X or Y.
X or Y means X side. You can tell angle E is equal to angle Y 90 degree. DF is equal to XZ. Then we all DE is equal to XY. That also is correct. You have to look in the figure and identify. Are you followed? Identification here. Okay. So Now we will apply. So what is the condition over here? Different congruence. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. Somebody doubts that. He doesn't doubt. You doubt it. So, okay. So one by one criterions you. Hello. SAS is considered as a postulate. So right. SAS postulate. SAS postulate. Then, right. Two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle. Two sides are congruent if two sides and the included angle are one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. I repeat, two triangles are said to be congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and one and include angle of the other triangle. Written. This is called which one? SAS postulate. This is not the theorem, so it will not come. Now, next, write down ASA congruence. ASA congruence. What is a congruence theorem? It is theorem. ASA congruence theorem. Two sides are two triangles are said to be congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent if two angles and the included side. Huh? And right now, two triangles are said to be congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle. Two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the
Sir, I have
two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to of one triangle are equal to two angles and included side of the other triangle. Equaling how many times are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle. I repeat the statement once more. Two triangles are said to be congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. You know what to do? Now, look here, this is the theorem. Its proof is important. Proof comes in the exam. You also not written. Okay, proof come in the exam. I will explain the proof. One day we will discuss it. A little lengthy proof.
Monday.
Monday.
So Monday.
One day we next day itself we will explain. Okay, and after that Agriman will explain only. Don't tell me test stand out, it was decided a long time. For example. You studied already, no? Polynomials and linear.
Sir, I want the ratio of five.
Okay, no problem. Before that, long back they explained to announce the exam and syllabus now.
Sir, a week before the exam.
It's quite clear.
Sir, seriously.
Your school different students, I know it. But
Sir, that is why I couldn't fill the exam date sheet.
okay, now you nowadays you are doing musty over there, but
No, sir.
you want to hear the stories over there, what do you do?
Yes.
Huh? You are getting
What? Yes.
Yes.
Then, sir,
Yes, but otherwise.
sir, can you use your washing, sir?
we have different people are from you from different. Huh? Okay, now this one, this is a proof we will write the same way. If the question is asked, what is a SSS congruence? What will you write? Who will tell? The same way. Two triangles are said to be congruent if three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of the other triangle. Hello, is it done now? Listen now. So SSS you heard about. Now if it is asked for A, don't need to write listen now. If it is asked AS, what will you write? Two triangles are congruent if two angles and one side of one triangle are equal to two angles and one side of the other triangle. The common way, remember, it's easy to remember. RHS, how do you write? Two right triangles are congruent if hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. See, common that our outline and all same thing, remaining between things only change. Two triangles are congruent if something or one triangle is equal to something in the other triangle. You feel that something you give SAS is what two sides and then you triangle. Of same way. Okay, SSS means three sides. Understood all of you? That is the condition. Now, this much all of you followed. Okay. Now, you have to identify sometimes addition, subtraction, and all the things are there. Now, before going to do the questions and all, one theorem we have to discuss that we will be discussing in the next class. All the forms you have followed now. Now, sometimes in the question you may ask, you want the question do by this congruence, particular congruence. Okay. Next, listen. Next thing is I'm going to discuss about what is the meaning of altitude, what is the meaning of median, what is the meaning of angle bisector. You're showing me dance. Okay. Now, have you heard about the word altitude?
Yes, sir. Bring the line on the base side.
Altitude or height is same as the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Understood? Right now, altitude. Hello, aeroplane and all we Avnish, you are the notice like of Gurpreet is square, V is square, E square. He full time, blah blah blah. He is square when he is talking, he talk. Right, altitude. Telling altitude means altitude or height of a triangle. Altitude or height of a triangle. It is the perpendicular. It is the height of a triangle. Below right. It is the perpendicular drawn from a vertex. Perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. Perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. Are you followed?
Yes.
Here, if it is drawn triangle ABC, what is the meaning of altitude? That is clear. This is called the altitude. Understood or not? Now you have become okay. All right. So this is the altitude or height. Okay. Now, how many altitude can be drawn? Only one. From A we drawn one altitude. From B also another altitude. From C also. So three altitudes from here this way. Everything is possible. Okay, so how many? One day. Okay. So you can write below in a triangle. In a triangle, we can draw three altitudes. In a triangle, we can draw how many altitudes? Three altitudes. Three altitudes. Return three altitudes. Okay. Have you noticed something over here when I drawn three altitudes? All of them meet at the same point. Basketball. No, there is a name. Listen. There is a name for this point. Anyone remember? No. Intersecting means meeting only. Collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means on the same line. First time we are hearing.
Yes, sir.
Right. All. So you wrote how? What did you write? In a triangle, we can draw three altitudes. Okay, below that, all of them meet at a common point. Okay. All of them meet at a common point. And this point is statue, and this point is called orthocenter. The point is called orthocenter. Common point. Written all of you. Orthocenter. Okay. Now.
Sir, Avnish went to the
Avnish, next class onward, I'll make you to this in the front. Yeah. Every day the same thing is going on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly, sir.
Now look here. Listen. In this triangle DEF. Have the triangle is seen over here? Now, over here, triangle DEF, have you seen over here? Where is your altitude from D?
DE.
It is DE itself.
Yes.
Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
And this is EF. What is the altitude? EF. The perpendicular. Now, for the from here, if you want to draw perpendicular, that is other one. Okay, now. So you have to be little careful over here. This is the one. D is the perpendicular drawn to the side. Which one? It is coming to the EF. EF is the perpendicular drawn to which side? DE. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the one. So there are altitude. Now another one. So also is a triangle?
No.
No.
Yes, sir. No.
Yes, very good.
So this is also a triangle now. Which type of triangle is this one?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Very good, Joey. Obtuse angle triangle. Aisa. This type of triangle. Oh, this is not the type of triangle. These are not type of triangle. Raju, what is your name?
Sir, complete this side.
Now, look here. All of you listen. Over here, if I draw the altitude, where the altitude will be there? It will be outside. So we have to draw, extend this one. Yeah, have you seen this altitude? If it is a right triangle, it is coming as a side itself. If it is a side triangle, look over here. It is an obtuse triangle, means altitude will be outside. Is it clear, all of you? You cannot draw them. Huh? And from A, you have to draw the perpendicular now. If you are drawn from the B perpendicular, this one is an altitude.
Yes.
But from A, where is the altitude is coming? Understood or not? So that is the one, the condition it is coming as. The correspondingly over here also it is coming down only it is coming. Okay, so this one. So altitude can be inside, outside, or the side itself. Okay, so you have to be careful. Okay, so this one. Don't think that always the altitude is inside the triangle. It can be a side, it can be outside. Next one. One more right. Median. Have you heard about median, Emily?
Top to bottom.
Median.
Median.
Oh, those who know what is median tell. Don't know the storytelling. One.
That was
Amnish,
very-
yeah, you know.
That was there in data.
So
The middle one. So a straight line starts with the vertex and ends on the opposite side and it bisects the.
very good. Median. Did you hear? That's why you tell the property, not the of telling middle line. This one and all. Okay. Understood. So write a median. Median, you will see in data entry, statistics, all the time. That is something different. Middle value. In statistics also when median will come. Okay, mean median. Okay, right. Median. It is the line segment drawn from a vertex. Line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite vertex. Midpoint of the opposite side.
Side.
Midpoint of the opposite side. You don't know the angle.
Vertex.
Opposite vertex.
So you said vertex.
He said.
From the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite. Now what is it? Listen. Demand. Next time when mommy comes, I'll tell. I'll tell. Now over here. We find the midpoint. You know what is the meaning of midpoint? What is the meaning of midpoint?
You're dividing it.
Divide into equal parts. Join. This is the median. It means BD and DC are equal. Okay. Is it altitude and median are same thing?
No.
The altitude is coming and it's a perpendicular has.
Right. So. If in RD can get median, but median can't be an RD.
It can be both same.
Sir, median
You
divided.
see that all depends upon the triangle. If altitude can be median, median can be altitude. Both are same, no? Yes or no? Understood or not? If it is
Sir,
not
does
that median,
Median and the angle is.
that only will tell you. Okay, all these things we will discuss now. First, you remember that special cases will discuss equilateral triangle and all. Yes, what you wanted to tell?
Master does median divide triangle into two equal parts.
Equal parts mean what is the meaning of equal parts? Look here. Equal parts means what is it? Equal area is different, congruence is different. Okay, equal area does not mean that they are congruent. Understood or not? Difference you followed. So henceforth don't tell equal parts. Equal parts means you have to think about is it congruent or area. So median divide the triangle into two triangles of equal area. Triangle ADB and triangle ADC are equal in area. They are not congruent. Okay, understood now? Follow this much property. So this much is clear. So how many medians can be drawn? One only from A. From same way from B also you can draw. From C also you can draw the. Here also midpoint. There's next midpoint on C. Okay, how many medians can be drawn? 3 medians. All right, in a triangle, we can draw 3 medians. We can draw 3 medians. They all meet at a common point called centroid. They all meet at a common point called in a triangle. We can draw three medians. Full stop. They may all meet at a common point. They all meet at a common point called centroid. 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 Written centroid. Written names, remember. Orthocenter and centroid are same thing. What is orthocenter? Check na. What is orthocenter? All the altitudes meeting. Altitude. It is altitude when drawing meeting point is called orthocenter. When median drawing it is called which one? Centroid. One more property, right? This again another important one. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Median in the ratio 2:1. Ratio 2:1. Written all of you? Now, ratio means you heard about ratio. What is the meaning of 2:1? 2 divided by 1. Okay, listen. Means if I take it as this one G, AG upon GD will be equal to 2/1. Okay, then if it is 2/1, look here. This you have to remember because lot of places we will apply. AG upon GD is 2/1. Means AG contains how many parts? 2 parts. GD contains how many parts? 1 part. Total AD contains how many parts? 3 parts. Therefore, AG will be equal to 2/3 AD. 2 out of 3 parts. GD will be equal to 1/3 AD. That is the ratio is coming. Okay. Altitude and median we discussed. The properties we discussed. Okay. Remaining properties, 2 more are there. One is called which one? Angle bisector. Next one is perpendicular bisector. You heard about angle bisector? What is angle bisector? Dividing that. Okay, perpendicular. Which one will discuss? Study for your exams, practice questions and okay. Not just simply Aryaman. Tomorrow what paper?
Maths.
Maths.
Yes.
Prepared.
Yes.
Tomorrow just to get okay. Not answering will get.
You will do.
You will do best out of it.
It's out of date.
Yeah, अभी MBBS के ना नहीं है सच में नहीं है